Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have a 1960 Austin Healey 3000 Mark I BT-7 Roadster. Finished in Colorado red, black interior, 4-speed overdrive, 72 spoke chrome wire wheels, black top, and I'm not sure if it has a tonneau, but definitely black top. And oh yeah, it does. We've got a black tonneau for it, so really nice weather equipment on this car. We purchased this car recently from Texas. It's a California car originally. Lived in Reseda, California, and about 20-25 years ago it had this very nice cosmetic restoration done to it. I believe the car's original color was Old English white, but someone really wanted a red Austin Healey, so they painted it this correct Colorado red. So very good older restoration here, on a pretty honest, solid, straight, I would say nearly rust-free car, or it very, very close to being a solid, perfect rust-free California car. So older cosmetics, still looking quite nice. Very good quality older paint job. If we go panel by panel here, couple little chips around the side curtain area, a couple little chips here, which aren't a big deal. Those can be touched up easily. Front shroud, pretty good. Little bit of hair lining right here, which is a stress area, which isn't a big deal. Someone tried to do a little touch up here on the corner, so that could be massaged out and redone nicely. But sides of the car are quite nice. Gaps are good. Panels are very, very straight. Another little hairline here, maybe just some older paint or a stress area where they bolted the chrome strip up, but nothing really bad at all going on with this car. I mean, from here it just looks absolutely fabulous in its Colorado red. So chrome work was all redone at the time, and that's holding up excellently. So you can see all the chrome here is very, very good. Great fitting grille, nice bumpers. There's those 72 spoke chrome wire wheels. Windshield's in great condition. I don't think it's the original triplex. It's been replaced probably at one point, but bright work is very, very good overall. Interior wise, it was also completely done at the time of the restoration. So here we are looking at a very nice older interior, but has quite a nice genuine feel about it. So very good carpets, panel kits, all nice. Older seats, they're done in vinyl, but they do look nice, and they're quite decently comfortable. Original steering wheel, all the original instruments, they seem to be working. So pretty good original interior. The top fits pretty nicely. It's older. The tonneau cover fits well. That's a little newer, but just a nice, settled in, genuine older restoration that was nicely done. And the car's mellowing just a little bit, but a great usable car to just go out and enjoy, have a blast with, and not panic that you've just paid $100,000+ for a restored one. So really good BT-7 here that's in the budget. I just took this car for a drive, and very, very healthy engine and transmission. It's got a working overdrive unit. Brake, suspension, steering, all that seems up to snuff, and the car handles well, accelerates well, brakes well. It feels really safe out on the road here. And a little bit of delay in the overdrive unit, but that's probably just the filter needs a clean, or the engine needs the oil needs to be changed out and refreshed. But maybe a second delay, which isn't bad, but definitely a nice, smooth, quiet working overdrive unit. Gearbox is fantastic, engine's great, no smoke, great oil pressure even when it's hot, at least 25 or 30 pounds hot oil pressure. So Quite a good little running, driving 3000 Mark 1 here. Let's take a look at this car's engine compartment. The engine compartment was restored at the time of the car's cosmetics, so they did the color change to red. But let's take a look there. Yeah, so this is the engine compartment on our 3000 BT-7. You can see the engine was probably pulled and refreshed there, and they painted it. Correct original VIN plate. Pretty nice, honest, clean, straight shrouds, not full of Bondo. We do have the original air cleaners. So this is a 3-liter, 124 horsepower. It's being fed by these HD6 twin carbs, and looks like the engine was probably definitely rebuilt at one point, but it's got the original early style red fan blades. But yeah, sweetheart of an engine, runs great, no issues, starts easily. It felt to me this car had been sitting a little bit. You know, the brakes are, when you get them cooking and hot, they were squealing a little bit. But definitely a great running, driving BT-7. Older restoration here. Sitting on chrome wires. 4-speed overdrive. Colorado red with black. Black top, tonneau. 4-speed overdrive unit. Chrome wire wheels. Excellent little older restoration that runs and drives very, very well, and it's for sale right now on our website. You can access the still photos, check the car's undercarriage for how solid and straight everything is under there. But very highly recommended, desirable 3000 Mark 1 4-seater for sale here, and nicely priced, which everyone can enjoy this car. And it's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.